Finally, the next chapter of BMF is here. Whew, coming out of a transformative year, taking tons of lessons learned along the way and building on 11 years of inspiring musicians and building community through music, we are ready to announce our brand new Brooklyn home. Our brand new location will be in the same neighborhood that we've been committed to serving since day one, the Gowanus. We love the Gowanus for its central location, its easy access to neighborhoods like Boerum Hill, Park Slope, Carroll Gardens, Cobble Hill, Fort Greene, and so many more. And our new space is only 2 blocks from the Union Street R stop, 6 blocks from the 9th Street stop. And even better, our new space is being designed to accommodate everything that you've come to love about Brooklyn Music Factory. Plus, a couple of new features. First of all, there's going to be a stage for gigs, speed songs, impromptu drum circles, and plenty of big music games. We're designing beautiful new studios from the ground up for each private lesson instrument and each group class. There are even going to be floor-to-ceiling windows. You dig? Let the light shine in and feed our creativity. Also, easy access on street level. Perfect for strollers, anybody who wants to avoid the stairs. And central to BMF in our new location will be our favorite space, the community room. Just like in our old headquarters. You'll love it because it's welcoming for all ages, has plenty of space for homework, snack time, working on your latest original song lyrics, or maybe you just need to grab an instrument and get a little shedding, little practice time before your lesson. One note, we're not exactly sure how we're going to have to adjust due to COVID and modify the community room space, but we'll keep you informed on that. And yes, we will be neighbors with some amazing small businesses that we love. Textile Arts will be our neighbor just to the left, Shapeshifter just around the corner, Brooklyn Children's Theater around the block, and right across the street from us, the Children's School. And best of all, our new landlord loves our mission. They're incredibly supportive of the arts, and they're totally committed to a long-term relationship that's mutually beneficial and stays focused on what we care about most, serving the community. They've already, in fact, offered us an outdoor space to throw a huge Songwriting Party music festival next year. You dig. So we couldn't be happier or more excited. Yes, it requires patience, but we're so psyched to get to the new space. Okay, 5 things you need to know. Number 1, here's the address. We will be located at 497 Carroll Street. 497 Carroll Street, right between 3rd and 4th Avenue. Number 2, our grand opening will be the winter of 2022. But hold on a second. We will still be offering in-person and our growing online lesson school this summer and next fall. We just do not want to rush building and designing our new space. So we're going to take our time and do it with intention. Winter of 2022 is our grand opening. Finally, a couple other things you need to know. We're going to keep this website here updated so you can just follow along with us. Construction is already underway, and you can just watch this new space take shape. And finally, number 5, you got to plan on being with us to celebrate with a massive songwriting party this winter of 2022. Our roots are in Gowanus, Brooklyn, and they always have been. We're so grateful to the community for its support over the first 11 years, and we just cannot wait to continue to inspire musicians and build community for decades to come. See you in the new space.